Our thoughts have a powerful influence on our emotions, behavior, and overall well-being. Negative thinking patterns can cloud our perception, hinder personal growth, and impede our ability to lead fulfilling lives. However, by understanding the origins of negative thinking and implementing effective strategies, we can break free from these patterns and cultivate a positive mindset. In this video, we will explore various techniques and approaches to help you overcome negative thinking patterns and empower yourself to embrace a more positive outlook on life. Understanding negative thinking. Negative thinking is a common phenomenon that affects individuals from all walks of life. It involves patterns of thought characterized by pessimism, self-doubt, and an excessive focus on the negative aspects of situations. Such thinking can harm mental health, increasing stress, anxiety, and depression. Recognizing the nature of negative thinking and its consequences, we can take the first step toward overcoming it. Identifying your negative thinking patterns. Self-awareness plays a crucial role in overcoming negative thinking patterns. Take the time to reflect on your thoughts and emotions, paying attention to recurring themes and designs. Journaling and thought monitoring can be helpful tools in this process. Additionally, seeking feedback from trusted individuals can provide valuable insights into your thinking patterns that you may not have considered. Challenging negative thoughts. Once you have identified your negative thinking patterns, it's essential to challenge them and replace them with more positive and realistic thoughts. Cognitive restructuring is a technique that involves recognizing cognitive distortions, such as catastrophizing or all-or-nothing thinking, and replacing them with more accurate and balanced reviews. Using evidence to reframe your thoughts, you can gradually shift your perspective and cultivate a more positive mindset. Positive affirmations, gratitude, and cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can further support this process. Building resilience and self-compassion. Building resilience and self-compassion are key aspects of overcoming negative thinking patterns. Developing a growth mindset, which involves seeing failures as learning opportunities and setting realistic expectations, can help you navigate setbacks with a positive outlook. Practicing self-compassion consists in treating yourself with kindness and understanding and acknowledging that everyone makes mistakes and experiences challenges. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and nurturing healthy relationships can also contribute to your overall well-being. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that can help you break free from negative thinking patterns. You can create a mental space for more positive and constructive thinking by cultivating present moment awareness and learning to detach from negative thoughts. Mindful breathing exercises and body scans can further enhance this process. Incorporating meditation into your routine, such as guided meditation or loving kindness meditation, can promote a sense of calm and clarity. Lifestyle changes for positive well-being. Specific lifestyle changes can significantly contribute to overcoming negative thinking patterns. Physical exercise, for instance, has positively impacted mood and mental well-being. Nurturing healthy relationships and seeking support from loved ones can create a supportive environment that fosters positivity. Managing stress effectively and prioritizing self-care is essential to maintaining a positive mindset. Engaging in hobbies and pursuing creative outlets can bring joy and fulfillment into your life. Seeking professional help. In some cases, overcoming negative thinking patterns may require professional support. It is crucial to recognize when seeking therapy or counseling can be beneficial. Mental health professionals can provide guidance, support, and specialized techniques to help you navigate and overcome persistent negative thinking patterns. Overcoming negative thinking patterns is a journey that requires patience, self-reflection, and consistent effort. By recognizing and challenging our negative thoughts, embracing resilience and self-compassion, practicing mindfulness and meditation, adopting healthy lifestyle changes, and seeking professional help, we can break free from negative thinking and create a positive mindset. Change takes time, so be gentle with yourself and celebrate each step towards a brighter and more fulfilling future. Start by understanding the nature of negative thinking and its impact on your mental health. Recognize common negative thinking patterns, such as catastrophizing, overgeneralization, personalization, all-or-nothing thinking, mind reading, and discounting the positive. These patterns can distort your perception of reality and perpetuate negativity. To identify your negative thinking patterns, engage in self-reflection and develop self-awareness. Set aside time for journaling and thought monitoring, where you can jot down your thoughts and emotions throughout the day. This practice allows you to observe recurring themes and patterns, helping you gain insight into your negative thinking habits. Additionally, seeking feedback from trusted individuals can provide an external perspective and shed light on blind spots you may have overlooked. Challenging negative thoughts is a crucial step towards developing a positive mindset. Employ cognitive restructuring techniques to identify and replace cognitive distortions with more realistic and balanced thoughts. Challenge negative beliefs by seeking evidence that supports or contradicts them and reframe your thoughts accordingly. Engaging in positive affirmations and practicing gratitude can also shift your focus towards the positive aspects of life. Building resilience and self-compassion are essential for overcoming negative thinking patterns. Cultivate a growth mindset that views failures as opportunities for growth and sets realistic expectations. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, acknowledging that everyone makes mistakes and experiences challenges. Surround yourself with positive influences, such as supportive friends and mentors, and nurture healthy relationships that uplift and inspire you. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation practices into your daily routine can help you break free from negative thinking patterns. Mindfulness involves cultivating present moment awareness and observing your thoughts without judgment. You can create a mental space for more positive and constructive thinking by detaching from negative thoughts. Engage in mindful breathing exercises, body scans, and meditation to promote relaxation, clarity, and inner peace. Making lifestyle changes can significantly contribute to a positive mindset. Regular physical exercise has been shown to improve mood and overall well-being. Nurturing healthy relationships and seeking support from loved ones create a robust support system that fosters positivity. Effectively managing stress and prioritizing self-care are vital for maintaining a positive mindset. Engaging in hobbies and creative outlets allows you to express yourself, find joy, and cultivate a sense of fulfillment. While self-help strategies can be effective, there are instances where seeking professional help is essential. Recognize when your negative thinking patterns persist despite your efforts and consider therapy or counseling. Mental health professionals can provide expert guidance, support, and specialized techniques tailored to your needs, empowering you to overcome negative thinking patterns and develop a positive mindset. In conclusion, overcoming negative thinking patterns requires a proactive and multifaceted approach. By understanding the nature of negative thinking, identifying your patterns, challenging negative thoughts, building resilience and self-compassion, practicing mindfulness and meditation, making lifestyle changes, and seeking professional help when needed, you can break free from the cycle of negativity and cultivate a positive mindset. Remember that change takes time and effort, so be patient and celebrate each small victory. Empower yourself to embrace a more positive outlook and create a fulfilling and joyous existence. Thanks for watching.